Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good afternoon to you all. Here we go then, we are back with the close-up coins game. And in this video, there's going to be 5 close-ups of commemorative £2 coins that can be found in UK circulation. It's really simple. If you want to play along, all you need to do is comment the numbers 1 to 5 with what commemorative designs feature on the £2 coins in that comment section below. I'll be back in 2 days' time to go through the answers and see who managed to get all 5 of these correct. And I'm sure a lot of people will have got them all right. Sometimes I even forget what they are and it takes me a while to work them out again. Everyone at home is incredible at this game. And again, I can't wait to see how many people score all 5 right in a couple of days' time. Again, a huge shout out and a thank you for all of the kind words. Hopefully I'll feel better soon. Stay safe, and as always, guys, thanks for watching.